Hey guys, we're out at, I'm not sure what it is called exactly, but there's a bunch of older time cars. They're all fixed up, cruising the main street here in Bismarck. So we're out here taking some pictures. Hopefully you can hear me, but I'll give you some shots of it. A lot of neat cars coming by. Older classic type cars. So yeah, I'll let you see some of that. Here we got Kristen's dad's Volkswagen van. They're gonna turn in here. Wearing a tie-dye shirt Kristen made. Got some more angled in with modern day cars. Let's go get a closer look at the Volkswagen van here.
Reminds me of like.
So look inside. Wayne wearing one of Kristen's tie-dyes. Look inside here. Nothing but rainbows in here. Pretty neat little van though. Would definitely be cool. Pop up right there. Oh, we'll go look at more vehicles here.
I just saw corn.
Pioneer plates. Alright, I like this one here in the green. Got a couple Volkswagen buses, a little bit of honking at Kristen's dad as they drive by. Everybody's having a great old time. Pretty cool. Good ones here. Quick look at Kristen's uncle's El Camino. Always kind of like these guys. This is a really nice one. Sweet Muraca. Here's another van right here. Might do a more in-depth video on it here in the next couple of days, but just let you look around here. They said we could. I really like these rounded out windows. Where'd they go now? I think they're covered up. Walk around it here. See that rounded window. I really like those. Reminds me of the Scooby-Doo vans right there. Yeah, that thing's cool. I wish we had headroom in here. Got a bathroom back there. I don't want to step in there unless